She seems to approve. The facial area of a tyrannosaur is very sensitive to touch. And they nuzzle. His
Sauropodlets are small prey for the allosaurus. These are the lions of the Jurassic, the top predators of their age.
A dinosaur with a giant sail on its back. It's a spinosaurus. A 15-meter-long, huge carnivore. It's wading out into the sea.
Feet long and weighing 5 tons, this big beast was actually a peaceful plant eater. Stegosaurus is easily recognized by the distinctive plates on its spine. Trouble is, no one really knows what they were for.
Some have suggested that maybe it was for controlling body temperature, but a more is that the plates were actually used for display, for show.
Because so many other animals have such displays, it's thought completely unaware of what's heading their way. Triceratops are among the most widespread dinosaurs on the North American continent. They're herbivores, but that doesn't mean they're wallflowers. Male Triceratops take their mating rights very seriously. And at up to 6 tons each, a face-off can be fatal. This time, intimidate.
To the young Diplodocus, the other dinosaurs here are unfamiliar and huge. This is brachiosaurus, a 13-meter high sauropod that specializes in grazing on the treetops